Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this fantastic cushion for your car, but also let me think about it because I tried this one with the car. It is fantastic. It is really nice. It has this really nice breathable fabric over here. So that is really nice for sitting for long periods of time. It also comes with this handle so you can take it with you on vacations or long trips or something like that. And also right here on the back, you're going to find this one, which is going to be really nice for this thing. It will avoid it from moving, so it's not going to move too much, which I think it is really nice. But also, of course, the breathable thing that I told you, and more than anything, how fluffy, how cushioned this memory foam is, but also how firm it is at the same time. It has that really nice curve over here, so it will adapt to the shape of your body. But what I was saying before, I tried it with the car, and we're gonna put it right here in the seat in a few seconds, but I also tried it with my chair, with my office chair, in my office, and it is really good for that as well. It says that it's for short people. I don't know too much about it. I think it could be boost some people for sure, but I also think that more than anything is for comfort. Like if you're driving for long periods of time, if you're sitting for long periods of time, either in your car or your office or something like that, this could be a really nice solution. Let's actually put it right here. So I found it to work in both ways, like front or the back as well, because you're gonna have this section over here, which is gonna be for, your parts to rest a little bit more, like better if you're a man or something like that. So that's gonna be for you to do that. But then you can see how really nice and cushioned this one is, but also it is at the same time, it is really firm. Since it's memory foam, it will adapt to the body, or actually the shape of your body again once that you're done with sitting and you get out. And then at the same time, and the next time is gonna be on this original shape that it was before. So sitting in this one boosts you up a little bit, boosts your height a little bit, but more than anything makes it to be really, really comfy. Like, I don't know how to express it, but the memory foam acts in a way that whenever I'm sitting, I just go down just a tiny bit, and then my whole body weight is resting on that platform, not just like my tushy or something like that. It must be something really nice for your back as well, and your posture as well, and things like that. So I do approve it for sure for your car, but then give it a try, or get both, like get two of those for your office as well. I guarantee that it's also going to be good for your office chair as well. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.